Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. Today I would like to show you how to make our Snowflake Coaster Take It Make It craft kits, which are available for pickup at your local branch. You can get your Take It Make It kit curbside just like you pick up your books at our branches right now. In your kit you're going to find a tile that looks just like this. This tile I got at Menards, but you can get them at any home improvement store. And they're not very expensive. So if you wanted to make more for gifts for the holidays or extra for yourself, they're easy to get more of these. I also have little felt stickers for the back. Those can also be purchased at Menards or other home improvement stores. You're going to find 5 stickers in your kit and a little container of Mod Podge and a foam paintbrush. So the first thing you're going to do with this is flip this over so you have the rough side showing, and you're going to put these little foam stickers on the back. And unfortunately this one did not peel very well. There we go. And you don't want to put them right in the corner because they don't quite fit there. You put them just a little bit away from the corner. And you stick all 4 of these on. And then you flip it over, and you're going to decide which stickers you want to put on. Do you want to put on all 5? You could do all 5 if you want. You could do 1, 2, 3, or 4. Doesn't matter to me how you do it. It's up to you. Also, if you don't want to use the snowflake stickers, but you have other stickers at home, that's okay to do too. I made some here that were using other stickers too when I was first trying it out. Then when you decide how many stickers you're going to use, you just put all of them on wherever it is you want them to be. And I'm going to put them just across from each other like this. And make sure that you make them nice and smooth. So kind of really push them down hard so that they're going to stick. And once you have your design on there, you're going to take the Mod Podge and open it up and use your foam paintbrush and get the end of it just a little bit with the Mod Podge on it, and then paint over everything. Cover the stickers and the entire tile all the way to the edge. You will notice too that I used just a regular piece of paper to protect the table because this is glue and it will stick. So you don't want to get that on tables that you're using. Then you're going to let it sit and dry for 15 minutes, maybe 20. And once it's dry, you're going to put another layer of Mod Podge on it. You can do multiple layers of Mod Podge. Some of you might have just enough to put on 2 layers, or you might have enough to do 3 or 4 layers of Mod Podge. It's totally up to you. But wait till it dries before you do another layer. When you are all done, this is what your coaster will look like. Thank you for joining us for our Snowflake Coaster Take It Make It craft kit. Please watch Maddel's Facebook page and YouTube channel for other programs and events that we're having.